Today I'm here joined with my husband and my sister. Today these two are gonna battle it out to see who knows me better. Comment below what team you're on if you think Dennis knows me better or my sister knows me better. I lived with Angelica all my life, but just recently I started living with Dennis.
Maybe I don't know you anymore.
Angelica traveled for a bit. Where did you go? To France?
I went to Colorado, Greece, and Lebanon, and then India.
And then she got married herself, and so she went off to Arkansas. Now she's back home. So are you guys ready for the questions?
Mm-hmm.
The idea is that I ask a question, they write it down, and then they flip it around, and we will see who has the right answer. Question number 1. What is my zodiac sign?
I don't know.
But do you guys know my birthday?
Yeah, but I'm not into zodiac symbols.
Yeah, I don't think I spelled this right.
Okay. Do you guys have your final answer?
Yeah.
On the count of 3. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yes! Ding, ding, ding. Okay, that's 1 point for both of you. Who am I more like? My mom or my dad?
Like looks or personality?
Personality. Because looks, I'm like my mom.
So are you not my mom?
I'm not gonna give you an answer. Flip the boards. Okay, why would you guys say I'm more like my mom?
I can't say things on camera because it'd be offending your mom.
Yes, I am more like my mother. I would say I'm driven. I'm business focused. I tend to have the same types of sentiments as her. Or what was my favorite subject in school?
Subject or elective?
Why are you being so specific?
You guys have your answers? Ready? Set, go. Literature/art, English/literature. Okay, so it's literature.
Okay, great.
But you put 2.
But English is closer to literature as opposed to literature and art.
Right. So yes, my favorite subject in school was literature. I loved reading and I loved poetry and all that jazz. What is my favorite TV show? You guys should get this one. Go. Jane the Virgin.
Keeping Up with the Kardashians?
I saw what you wrote. Jane the Virgin. Yes, I love Jane the Virgin. Waiting for season 5.
You used to like Keeping Up with the Kardashians.
Team Michael.
I don't know.
I don't care.
What are you guys? Team what? Team Michael or Team Raphael?
Or Team nothing.
Team Michael was always her love.
They don't watch it.
Name one movie that I could watch over and over and over and over again. You guys are getting all of these, okay? All right, let's get into the hard ones. Ready? What is something I've dreamed about doing for a long time now?
But you have so many.
What?
You have a lot of stuff, but
Like-
you have to be more specific.
What do you mean?
You have a lot of dreams.
What is one dream that I really want to make happen?
Oh, which one? Like your personal, your business, relationship.
This is not a good question.
All right, ready? Turn around.
What does it
Have
say?
your own stationery line, Oprah and Japan. Launch a product. You're both wrong. My dream is I want to be a mom.
That's a total freaking lie.
No, Angelica won. Dee, have my own stationery
Yeah,
line.
that's
You
right.
could have won.
I put
but-
launch a product.
But that's not very specific. If you don't know this, there is a problem. Are you ready? What is my exact Chipotle order?
Oh, come on.
Oh, come on, nothing.
Dennis knows this because he goes and gets it.
Wait, is this on a vegan day or on a non-vegan day? Wait, is it a taco day or a burrito day?
Do you guys feel confident about this?
Yeah, sure.
All right, turn it around.
Here.
Turn it around. All right, so I will tell you guys what it is, okay? White rice.
Oh, got that one.
I forgot the beans. I know what it is though. I know what it
Yeah,
is.
right.
You haven't said it.
Bell peppers.
Peppers.
veggies?
I got it.
No, I would have written
No,
lettuce.
peppers. I put peppers, which I had. You didn't.
Okay. So as of recent, I've been getting chicken.
Perfect.
Wow, you guys are on it. Okay. Lettuce.
Okay,
Right?
got it.
Avocado. Guacamole.
Yeah.
No cheese. Tomatoes.
No sour cream.
No sour cream. I think you
I
got
didn't
it.
And
Food.
tortilla on the side.
Ooh, but I do get corn, sweetie.
Do you get a bowl?
But do you get napkins and forks?
Okay.
I said water.
Literally, I'm gonna give you guys each because it was kind of bad. Nobody knows my Chipotle order. What is my most embarrassing story? And turn the boards. Cart lady asking you why you... What? Can you explain that?
Court lady asking why you didn't get it.
Yes. I recently had jury duty and it was so embarrassing and
I'm not even gonna get into specifics.
all I gotta say is it was intense. If I could get on a plane right now, where would I go to? Go. Honestly, it was Hawaii. If I could change my profession and if I was not doing YouTube, what would I be doing?
Too many things you would do.
Like that gives you a salary? Or just like...
Why don't you write both then? All right, turn the boards around. Wow, I have to say though, those are really good, but that's not what I had in mind.
So I didn't have
Like,
So,
come on.
What I really had in mind was I do something in business.
Huh?
What is something that I wish I could do more of? Go. Spend time with Jupiter. Yes, that's it.
Seriously?
Spend time with Jupiter and juice.
And juice. Oh, I thought about putting that down.
But didn't do it.
You're not doing very good. What was the song that I danced to at my 5th grade talent show?
Oh, freak.
All right, ready? Go. Everybody 1 2 step. 1 2 step by Sierra. This beat is on.
Copyright.
What is my favorite candy other than Twizzlers?
Yeah. Do you even like candy?
And go. Chocolate powdered gum. Yeah, you guys got it.
And
Okay.
Snickers.
There used to be this, what's it called?
Bubba Jug.
Bubba Jug, are you sure?
Bubble Jug.
So good. It's like powdered gum that turns into gum. What is one superpower that I wish I could have? That used to be mine, but I did tell you guys what my new superpower would be.
Being lame.
My superpower would be the ability to persuade anyone.
Yeah, I've never heard that one.
I've never heard it.
There was one costume that my mother dressed me up as. That,
I really regret.
what was that costume?
I'm gonna start guessing.
Turn around. Stripper! What?
Cow?
Why would my mom ever dress me up as a
Well, because
stripper?
you said you were ashamed.
So 1st grade, my mom dressed me up as a flower, but
Oh,
I
I
was
remember that.
wearing black and no one understood what my outfit was because I literally,
It looked like a dead flower.
and I was so ashamed. They're right. What were the names of my 2 best friends in 1st grade?
Oh, come on. Great.
Are you serious? You don't remember this? I talk about them all the time. And then I moved here from Chicago and I pretty much never had best friends.
Sad.
I can't remember the other one.
Damn. You were there.
All right, let's flip the board.
But
Who the hell is Ash Marie?
I have Paula,
Paula, yep.
and then her sister's name, wasn't it Milka?
You went dressed as a cow
wait,
with your
the
friend
other
Milk.
one, right?
Yeah, but the other one, but that doesn't count. And then you, never met Ash Marie. Elizabeth, never. And then Jeanette, that was in high school.
What was her name?
Asaley.
That's it.
Asaley and Paula. Hi, girls. If you're watching this,
But
probably
because-
not. They don't know what I'm doing with my life.
I did better.
What was the name of my first crush that I ever had?
I don't remember his name.
Turn the board. That was 5th grade.
Oh.
Christian? Who the hell is Christian? Christian was my first boyfriend.
Yeah.
Never first crush.
My first crush was called Timmy. What about elementary school? There's one guy that I always like. I had a crush on. And
Sean.
that was her.
Aaron.
No.
Jacob.
No.
What was it?
Kyle Semino.
Ah!
You don't know me. This is something that I wanted to do, but thank God I never pursued. What was that?
Like in UCF?
Like, you're lost. Graphic designer / marketing, no. Graphic designer, teaching, business, breeder, no. What was the question, guys?
What is something you never pursued?
That was embarrassing.
Belly dancing?
Huh?
I only did that for someone 15.
You're gonna be a model.
Modeling.
I got it in the class.
Modeling.
Model. You wanted a model.
Yeah, so I was like modeling like this. It's like really embarrassing. What grade was I when I got my first kiss? School buzz, black dude, sloppy six. Everything about that is wrong.
Black dude was the one with the bad breath.
That was my first kiss.
That was your first kiss,
Okay, but
right?
Yeah.
Dude. Okay.
But not the other stuff.
And it was in a school bus?
That was their first makeup.
I was in 7th grade.
I was so
Not
close.
6th grade. That's a little young. So there is a phrase that me and Liza's my best cousin, that we say. What is that phrase?
Ooh. It's gonna be embarrassing if it's wrong.
Okay, turn over the board. Peace to the world for generations. You got it. Peace and love for generations. No, honey, but that's good too. What was the first piercing that I ever got behind my parents' back?
Maybe you will demonstrate.
What the freak is that?
So here's your ear and your earring, and that's this part of your ear,
Yes.
right?
Yep. I don't have to give you the point.
Your parents know that you pierced your tongue at some point?
No. Father and mother, I'm sorry. I once sneaked out of the house. Who did I sneak out with?
In America? Oh.
Who?
I'm not going into specifics. You had like 4 or 5 cousins.
Got it. All right, yeah. So that was it. It was my cousins. It was in Colombia. We just sneaked out in a close community, you guys. What was the position that I was in that once I won, I really wanted to get out of?
I don't know what it is.
Oh, Marna, I'm so sad to hear this. Go.
Class president.
You don't know anything about
Nelly wasn't good enough to win class president.
Yes,
she
I
got
was.
vice president or secretary.
No, you're both wrong.
Was it council?
Student council.
Can I get that?
Well, thank you guys for playing.
Both of you don't know me.
If you would like more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you guys want to check out their socials, you can check them out right over here. And we will see you guys next time. Bye!